Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to adjust color settings on your JVC Smart TV. From the home screen of your TV, navigate to the settings icon on the right side, then scroll down to display and audio settings. Here we're gonna have to open picture settings and select an input for which we want to adjust the colors. For example, I'm gonna select HDMI 1. Then on the sidebar, you're gonna have to navigate first to the color saturation. Here you'll be able to adjust your saturation settings to change the value. Either move the slider to the left to reduce color saturation or to the right to increase it. In advanced settings, we can also change things like gamma and tint, which are also related to color, and we can also change the color temperature from cool to standard to warm. We can also adjust MPEG and R and noise reduction, and we can enable or disable natural cinema effect if you want to. And yeah, that's basically it. That's how you change the color settings on your TV. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.